10 Small Manufacturing Business Ideas to Launch in the UK with Little Investment. Are you interested in starting a new business? If so, fear no more, because we're about to share some incredible suggestions with you that will enable you to build a successful million or billion-dollar enterprise. Here are 10 small manufacturing business ideas with low investment to start in the UK. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. But before we get into it, here are some advice. Before you venture into any idea mentioned in this video, make sure you're really passionate about it. 10. Candle manufacturer. With a modest footprint, lower startup costs, and internet sales, it is much simpler and smaller than it sounds. This is a fantastic concept for the smart start. 9. Dairy product manufacturing. This is another growing industry. There are a variety of products that can be made from milk, ranging from ghee to butter to cream. However, keep in mind to obtain the necessary licenses and maintain a clean environment. 8. Incense sticks. Creating constrained space, constrained resources, and expanding opportunities. Nowadays, a lot of incense sticks are exported around the world as well, expanding your market. 7. Flour production. Since people are becoming more and more health conscious, you may start with the basic level of flour production if you have very little capital. You can also maintain a variety of grains on hand to draw in clients. 6. Making biscuits. People enjoy homemade biscuits. A small skilled enterprise like baking biscuits can be started with little money up front, and with only the most basic infrastructure. 5. The production of cotton buds is one of the smaller, more labor-intensive industries that produces a straightforward but popular product. Despite the industry's many rivals, however, the use and benefits of the product keep its demand strong. 4. French fry production. It's a fantastic small-scale enterprise that only needs the proper equipment and potato procurement. If the product quality is good, even large fast food chains may become associated with you. 3. Maker of leather bags. Leather bags are useful for a variety of things, including purses, wallets, laptop bags, school backpacks, and so on. Making the same thing is straightforward and requires ingenuity to differentiate from competitors with limited resources by offering distinct colors in it. 2. Textile maker. One of the major manufacturing industries with small to large expenditures, the industry needs facilities and equipment. If you have the first funds, you can choose bank loan options and launch your business. 1. Liquid soup. Making it is more easier than it appears to be. Find the correct ingredients, mix them in with various recipes, and add aromas to make money. Don't forget to test your items before you sell them. That's all for today's video. If you liked it and found it interesting enough, please give it a thumbs up and share your ideas in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.